Good morning, students. So we are learning about Python operators, and yesterday we have learned about three Python operators: arithmetic operators, assignment operator, and comparison operator. And today we will continue with the next kind of operator, that is your logical operator. So we are having basically three logical operator, and here output will be only true or false as we are getting in comparison operator, because this is combination of comparison operator. With the help of some comparison operator, we will apply some logic on different expression or different condition. So if each and every condition will be satisfied, then only result will be true, otherwise false. So as I have told you, we have three logical operator: and, or, not. Okay, so and you can consider it as multiplication, or you can consider as addition, and this one is inverse. Now what is the meaning of this multiplication? Means here input or result will be 0 or 1 only. So if you will multiply 0 with 1, result will be 0 only, and if you will multiply 1 with 1, then only result will be 1. So from this example, what we have to understand, like if both or all the conditions will be true, then only output will be 1. If any of the condition is false, result will be false always. So in AND operator, when you are using AND logical operator, both condition or all the conditions should be satisfied, or all the conditions should be true, then only result will be true. But in case of OR operator, so if we will add 0 plus 1 or 1 plus 0 or 1 plus 1 in each condition, result will be 1 only. Means if any of the condition is true out of 100 or out of 1 or out of 2, or all the conditions are true, result will be true only in case of OR logical operator. But if all the conditions are false, or any of the all the conditions are false, then only result will be false here. Means in case of logical operator, अगर आपके पास 5 condition है and out of 5 एक भी ट्रू है, देन ऑल्सो रिजल्ट विल बी ट्रू. 5 में से 4 ट्रू है, देन ऑल्सो रिजल्ट विल बी ट्रू. बट अगर सारी की सारी फॉल्स हैं, देन ओनली रिजल्ट विल बी फॉल्स इन केस ऑफ और लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर. नेक्स्ट वी आर हैविंग नॉट. इन नॉट, इफ conditions are true, then result will be false. If conditions are false, then result will be true. Means जो भी आपका condition का output है, उसका opposite not logical operator. Now with the help of book part, we will understand this thing. So first of all, we will see one program related to your logical operator, and with the help of one example, we will understand all these things. So here you can see and, or, not. If both operands are true, then condition become true. Means both or more than both. मीन्स एक से ज्यादा जितनी भी हमने कंडीशंस लगाई हैं, अगर वो सारी की सारी ट्रू है, then only result will be true, otherwise result will be false. Next, if both operands are true, then condition become true, otherwise false. So here is some error. If both operands, not both, if one of the operands, so you have to correct this thing in your book also. If one of the means 4, 5, 2 में से अगर एक भी true है, then also result will be true. In case of not operator, reverse the logical state of its operand. Means जो भी result आया उसका opposite. Now with the help of this program, we will understand. Is it visible? Yes, now it's clear. So here A 20, B 3, print the value of AB. First condition we have taken here, A greater than B. Yes, 20 is greater than B and A equal to B. This is false. So result will be false always. So as you can see here, with the help of this example only. So according to your book example, we have A is equal to 20, B is equal to 3. First we have print the value, then condition we have C is equal to A greater than B and A equal to B. Okay. So as you can see, if I will put some value 20, greater than 3 and 20 equal to 3. So here this one is true. 20 3 से बड़ा है and 20 3 के इक्वल नहीं है. 20 is not equal to 3, so this will be false. So if any of the output will be 0, result will be false only. So that's why in this program we are getting false in first output. This one. Okay. So according to the next condition of the same program, A greater than B, A equal to B. I will write the same condition on the board so that we can understand this thing. Okay. So next condition in program is C is equal to A greater than B or A equal to B. So now 20 greater than 3 or 20 equal to 3. So 20 तो बड़ा नहीं है. Sorry, this one is true and this one is false. 20 is not equal to 3. But I have told you in or logical operator, if any of the condition is true, अगर एक भी result 1 आ रहा है, then also result will be true. So in this case, output will be true because this will work as plus. If you will plus 1 plus 0, result will be 1 only. That's why in case of or operator, we are getting true. Is it clear? According to the next line of your program, C not 8 and here you can see output is true. So next line we will take here. So next condition we have in program, C is equal to not A greater than B and A equal to B. So same condition we have here also. 20 greater than 3 and 20 equal to 3. So in this condition, this will be 1 and this will be 0. Okay, but in case of AND operator, if any of the result is 0, output will be 0 only. So here we will get 0. And if logical result is 0 after not operator, means इसका inverse हो जाएगा. So that will become 1. So here output will be true. Not मतलब अगर 1 है तो 0, 0 है तो 1. So here 0, अगर 0 को note करेंगे, so output will be 1, that will be equivalent to true. So in this example, we will get true only, as you can see here. Is it clear? Okay. So now we will move to the next one, that is your membership operator. So membership operators used to identify like कोई एलिमेंट है वो उस लिस्ट में या फिर उस टपल में एग्जिस्ट करता है कि नहीं. So in first chapter we have learnt about list, tuple, okay, so dictionary and string. So if we want to find out an element in given string or in given list or in given tuple, then we require this operators. So let's see. So we are having two kinds of membership operator and they are used to test whether a value of variable is found in a sequence like string, list, tuple, dictionary or not. In dictionary, we can only test the presence of key but not the value. See, in and not in. So as you can have a guess here with the help of name only. In means find out करेगा कि वो exist करता है या नहीं. And not in result true कब होगा अगर वो element exist नहीं करेगा. So evaluates to true if it finds a variable in specified sequence, otherwise false. तो अगर उसको variable given sequence में मिल जाएगा, so result will be true. Here is opposite. Evaluates to true if doesn't find an element in the specified sequence, otherwise false. With the help of this example, you can have a better idea about this membership operator. So here A is equal to 20, B is equal to 3. Okay. And then we have list A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have create one list with 5 numbers and then we are finding if A in list. So value of A is 20. So it will look for this value. A in this list not exist. So result will be this one. Print A is available in the given list, else A is not given in the available in the given list. Next, if B is not in the list, then B is not available in the list. So again it have changed the value A is equal to B, then it will find out, and here result will be true only. So why it's not running? Maybe some error at line 5. What is the error? String line 5. So it's not identifying this string at line 5. Okay, so we'll just remove this space, extra space is here. Now if we will try to run again line 5, why line 5? We will run now again. Yes, I will just backspace here. I will print colon and enter. It will come here. Okay, and run. Maybe some issue in this program. Okay, on system we will practice this program. That will work fine. Okay, but you can understand with the help of this example. Like, अगर आपने value लिया A की 20 and we have created one list. So how we can create list? A is equal to, or you can take variable list only. List 1, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if we have taken value of 20 and we are writing if A is in list 1, okay. So अगर A आपका list 1 में है, then what we want? We want to print a message, okay. So in this way we can write, we will write in programmatic way. So how we can write? If A in list. So you can see this example in your book also. So if A in list, so here you can see 20 is not here, so result will be false. Means जो भी आपने यहाँ print किया, false में किया या true में किया, वो आपका print हो जाएगा. Clear? And now if we will change value of A is equal to 2, and then we will write if A in list, then it will execute true condition only. So this is the logic behind membership operator. If we want to find out an element from a given string or given list, tuple or dictionary, then we are supposed to use these operators. Okay. So next we are having identity operator. So identity operator compares memory location of two objects. Means अगर आपने दो variable लिए और वो दोनों variable memory में same space पे या same memory location में exist करते हैं, then result will be true, otherwise false. Identity operator compares the memory location of two objects. There are two identity operators as described below. Is and is not. Evaluates to true if both the operands point to same memory location, otherwise false. Evaluates to true if both the operands points to different memory location, otherwise false. Okay, अगर same को करेंगे then this will be true, अगर different को करेंगे then this will be true. Now this example you can see A20, B20, A is B. So A and B have same identity, otherwise not have same identity. So in this scenario, this will be your output, and if we are changing value, then false will be your value. See if this program is running, again some error in this program. So we have to check this program, and I will let you know what are the errors. So we will run this program, or you can also practice this program at your home, and let me know what kind of issues we are having in this program in book part, and we will correct that thing also. And last, we are having Python operator precedence. So as in mathematics, we have BODMAS rule, like which operator will be execute first or which operator we have to evaluate first. In same case, if we are using operators in computer, then there is also some precedence, or you can say some rules are applied during programming language design or development, like which operator has to be evaluated first so that we can get the accurate result. So exponent, so if in any expression we are having exponent, that operator will be executed first. Then higher priority is complement, unary and minus operator. Complement is your not operator, like अगर आपकी वैल्यू a है तो 0 हो जाएगी, 0 है तो 1 हो जाएगी. Then we are having this arithmetic operator, multiply, first multiply division, then mod and floor. After that addition and subtraction, then comparison operator, less than, greater than, or less than equal to, greater than equal to, not equal to, and equal, assignment. These are operator. Then assignment operators, and at last logical operator. So these are priority, means सबसे पहले ये होगा and सबसे last में this होगा. So precedence of operator has to find out which sub expression should be evaluated first. So we have completed our chapter. Okay, so you can practice all the program at home and let me know what kind of issues you have or what kind of programmatical error you are getting when you are trying to run. So you will learn about Python only and only if you will do practice at home. Otherwise you will learn nothing from this unit. So it's your responsibility to execute each and every program at your home and then let me know what kind of issues you are facing, and especially you have to run this identity operator and membership operator because we are having some error in this book part. So we will correct what are the errors there. Okay students, thank you.